Hello everyone, welcome to this live. This live is for telling about my plans of rebuilding team for promoting my products initially, then developing new products. Okay. First of all, I would like to know whether this team is going smoothly. I'll be checking it. Okay. If there are any issues with audio or any, I'm planning to share the screen. If you find any difficulties, just let me know. Okay. 1 second, I will be just checking whether audio quality is good. Okay. And okay, the audio is okay. I'm proceeding with this live, and if there are any other issues, especially related to screen sharing, just let me know. Okay. And if you're watching this live, you can share it with others so that they can ask their questions in this live. It is basically for explaining my plans as well as inviting affiliates to join that Gumroad affiliate program so that they can earn money by promoting my products. Let me explain it detail one by one. Okay. Okay. Let me open the screen. Okay. This blog post yesterday itself I published on my blog, and I provided the link in that description of this live video. You can check the details. Okay. I will be explaining overview of that. Okay. Actually, from the year 2008 to 2019, I had a team of full-time employees, okay, for doing web development as well as digital marketing. We did a lot of projects for our customers, initially through freelance website. Then we got direct dealings with a lot of customers. Okay, we have done a lot of projects, like very complex projects, including posting resume to a lot of job sites, more than 60 job sites automatically. So the job seeker need not spend time for applying job in all that websites. They can just upload his resume on one website. That software will be taking care of posting all the things to 60 job portals. And most importantly, they need not remember that login username and password of all sites. That simple software will be handling everything by providing auto login feature. Actually, that was very tedious task and a very complex one. We were able to successfully do it. So starting from that kind of thing, and simple things like setting up forums, that kind of simple things also, we got a lot of projects. But the problem is I found it difficult to retain the team members. So I used to hire freshers and spend significant time and effort for training them. But retaining them is a bit difficult. Okay, because of the competitive nature of that software development field, I found it difficult to retain them. And replacement also, it's difficult getting replacement. I need to again spend a lot of time, energy in hiring process. Okay. Mostly candidates tend to join corporates instead of any kind of startup with a small scale salary comparing to the corporates, right? So that is the key reason for holding that plan. Okay, though I tried more than 11 years, I put some gap. Okay, but a few months back I thought of starting it in this year. And that last 1 month I was doing a lot of research about it, how to go with that. Okay, I don't want to make the same mistakes again. Okay, so I don't want to hire the full-time employees initially. And another mistake is initially I was doing software development, which required skilled team members, right? So basically it will take around 1 year for preparing them to work on live projects. So that learning curve, that is very long. So I thought of doing very simple things like promotion, other things. That too, ebook promotion, that won't take much time. Again, I don't want to hire full-time employees, so just a hiring process that will be taking more time. So I'm just starting with very simple things. Instead of not doing anything, I'm just planning to start with very simple things like uh, promoting my ebooks through affiliate programs. Okay, actually I tried this many years back also. In the year 2010 itself, I created our own affiliate software. That time plugins, other systems were not there. So with the help of PHP, MySQL, our team developed own affiliate software for promoting our timesheet software. But the problem is that time I didn't have exposure to marketing and promotion, so we struggled to gather affiliates. But these many years I gathered a strong user base through Twitter. Even this channel is having more than 68,000 audience, and I will be able to effectively run paid campaigns. So I'm very much confident now that I will be able to promote any kind of thing. Okay, but the problem is right now I don't have a development team to set up the affiliate system again. So I thought of going with some third party. Okay, so first few weeks I was actively searching for such program, and finally I found that Gumroad will be more suitable. Okay, so let me explain that in detail in this live, and if you have any questions you can ask me. Let me check whether any question is there. So as of now, no questions. Okay, I'll be continuing my thing. So that is the basic for coming up with this plan. Okay, so I tried more than 10 years, around 11 years doing software development, web development, and software testing and related things. Okay, but that kind of business model is having a lot of challenges, especially challenges from my perspective. Maybe that may be suitable for people who are planning to start with a heavy budget or some other resources. Okay, but for me that path was not much. But anyway, it was really interesting. I was able to work with a lot of talented team members, and it's really good experience. I cannot deny that thing. Okay, but still from financial or monetary perspective, that was not successful, and it was not sustainable to continue after even after 11 years. Okay, again the corona, that kind of thing also main reason. Okay, for this much delay. Okay, so now I think everything is ready. I did a lot of research, and I learned a lot of lessons from my previous experience, and I'm going to do with like it's kind of safer mode kind of thing. But I didn't want to choose that path, but instead of just postponing my plans, I am just starting with this, but gradually I will be taking risks. Okay, so there is no question about that. But as of now, I'm just starting in a very safe manner. Okay, the thing is, right now I have a lot of ebooks. Okay, I listed them at a lot of things. Like I listed them at Amazon. I listed them in Instamojo for Indian buyers, and here in Gumroads recent lines listed here also. And apart from that, I'm selling them from my blog also. Here I'm selling the ebooks from my blog also. Okay, the price maybe I am continuously dynamically changing it. Okay, so I'll be settling with the proper price, but from blog perspective I sold it with this price. But in case of Gumroad, since I'm starting it newly, I'm just setting very low price. Okay, apart from low price, I'm planning to provide discount codes also. I have already created 2 discount codes. One will be giving 100% discounts, so that anyone can get my products freely. Another is for 40%. The 100% discount code, that is for a temporary purpose, okay, just for getting affiliates. Suppose if you are planning to join as affiliate, you need to see the product, right? So for that purpose I have created that, okay. So I will be telling about that in a few places only, okay, uh, to the people who are interested to do the affiliate marketing. So mostly at the end of this video I will be telling that. So if you are interested in affiliate marketing, you can continue watching. So if you are just planning to buy it, you can just go there and buy that, okay. This is about this Gumroad. And the core thing is, as I said, I was doing software development, and later on, not only later on, and parallelly, I started developing my YouTube channel, this YouTube channel, QPT channel, and I uploaded thousands of videos, okay. Especially emerging technologies news videos. Based on that experience, I realized significant gap, existence of significant gap between the scientists and the entrepreneurs. Okay, scientists are keep on working to create innovative products, and really it's like very challenging things they are working on. Okay, but entrepreneurs are not ready to, or not having the enough ability to adopt that, okay. What really happening is, most of the entrepreneurs, I'm not telling everyone, but most of them, they are just trying to copy the success of other entrepreneurs, okay, but they are not understanding or realizing the fact of survivorship, that bias, okay, as well as the timing, everything is getting dynamically getting changed, right? So obviously just copying other people's success is not going to work, okay. So that is one reason I'm highlighting this point, okay. What I'm trying to say is, entrepreneurs are not ready to look into the new innovations. Instead, they are looking into the already well-established businesses and trying to copy that, okay. But the timing is important. That well-established businesses, they started some time back, that their environment and situation will be that time they were completely different, right? Now the things will be changed, okay. Things will be different, okay. I explained with my own experience in many places, especially this software development initiative. I started in the year 2008, but someone who started in the 90s, they were able to reach some good success with the same kind of efforts, okay. Because that time the competition was less, okay, and a lot of other things. But now the things got changed. Similarly, regarding YouTube channel also, when I started in the year 2008-9, that time, that was easy to get views, and RPM was very good, okay. But right now, if someone is willing to do the same thing, they may be facing a lot of difficulties. A lot of things are there, okay. So anyone who is interested to start any kind of business or planning to improve their career, they need to look into the emerging technologies, okay. That is the key. I explained that in very lot of places, even in my ebooks, okay. So that is the core message. So from running that channel, I understand that a lot of emerging technologies innovations are happening, but entrepreneurs are not ready to adopt them. There is a gap. So I thought of creating some platforms for connecting scientists and entrepreneurs. I don't have any clear picture right now, but some kind of thing. Say, for example, entrepreneurs can raise their requests, like I'm planning to do that. I need this kind of inventions, or I need this kind of things like that. And similarly, scientists can post that I have created, found that things, whether anyone is ready to implement that kind of things, right? So even yesterday also I posted one video, right? One inventor contacted me to commercialize his help him to commercialize his invention of floating solar panels. Okay. But the thing is, I don't have enough skill set to understand everything, right? So I can only just forward it to my groups or who are interested in that. Okay, so I cannot do it for every that kind of request, right? So creating some kind of platforms will help to do these things automatically, but it's a really challenging one. I realized that fact also, because previously I tried to run forums, other things. Basically, like moderating user generated content, it's very difficult. Okay, from hacking perspective, spamming perspective, and file loading, that storage perspective. From various things, I realized that fact. Okay, so that's why I closed the forums, and even I locked comments, or I applied moderation, waiting for moderation, that kind of features I use to prevent that kind of spamming and other things. Okay, so I understand that it's a really challenging one, but some we need to handle in some way, and creating such things will be really useful. That is what I'm thinking. And right now I'm just planning to use the YouTube channel. This YouTube channel, that's what my initial plan. Temporarily I can use this YouTube channel, and then once after getting like a lot of subscribers to that channel, I can think about creating a specific application or web applications, some kind of platforms for achieving that. But the problem is, like, recently my AdSense account got disabled, so just focusing on YouTube for long term may not be a viable thing, because I need to earn money from out of that, right? Then only I will be able to fully concentrate on this thing. So I uh, changed my plan. Instead of fully focusing on YouTube videos, I thought of developing some other things, and I realized that Gumroad is providing that option, membership, because that YouTube membership I cannot right now. I cannot use that. So apart from using affiliates, I can use the YouTube, that Gumroad membership, that option also. I will be showing those things later. Okay, first let me continue. So here, membership option is there. Okay, so we can use this like that I decided. Okay, but before doing them in a full-fledged manner, I would like to get some familiarity with Gumroad. I'm very new to that, but I read about it in many places. I'm seeing both positive and negative things. Let me see how it's going on. But right now, it is the best thing. One is the UI, everything is very simple. Okay. Other thing is it's having increasing user base, and another important thing is it is supporting various payment things. So for example, right now, for selling my ebooks from my blog, okay, I'm selling ebooks my blog, right? I already showed, right? Here I'm using PayPal button, but the problem is the PayPal button will be working only from countries other than India. Okay, because I am using India PayPal account. So someone who is using India PayPal account cannot make the payment to another India PayPal account. Okay, so because of that restriction, I will not be able to use it for Indians. Okay, another thing is the price is $5.99, right? 5.99. But it may be a bit high from India's perspective. Okay, that PPP option is not here, but Gumroad is providing that option. Okay, say for example, if I try to buy from Gumroad, it will be automatically applying that discount for countries here. Though I mentioned $12, it is showing us 4.8 only because of kanji. Okay, purchasing power parity discount 1 point. Okay, so that purchasing that country-based pricing is available with Gumroad, and even I tried to use some India-based payment gateway, Instamojo. Okay, so you can check that from my blog. But here the options are limited. Okay, but from commission fees perspective, I'm planning to use it primarily for India users. Okay, so I'll be deciding it later. Okay, that is completely different thing. But this video is for highlighting about this affiliate program. So it's for global audience. Okay, but what I'm trying to say is it will be including India audience. Okay, so someone is planning to use the Gumroad, they need not to worry about the country. Anyone from any country can target any kind of people. Okay, that's what I observed by reading the articles and by chatting with ChatGPT and Bard about the Gumroad. But let me see how practically it is working. So that may be completely different, right? So we cannot fully rely on the commands made by other people. Okay, so I need to test it. Okay, so this is my plan, but even if it is not working, I will be moving to some other platform. That is the thing. But the core message is I'm planning to rebuild my team, but in a step-by-step safe manner. So initially it will be affiliate, and then I will be like hiring few people out of first performing affiliates, and then I will be slowly moving towards my plan of becoming a global technical leader. So basically it's not that much easy, but I'm seeing that option because, as I said, a lot of innovations are happening. It's some kind of Google like before Google, a lot of information was there throughout the world, but there is no single point for getting those things, collecting the information and distributing that, right? Google played a significant role in achieving that. Similarly, right now I'm seeing a gap between scientific world and the business world. I will be able to play a significant role by introducing some kind of platform. It need not be search. So implementing search will be very easy. Okay, so even Google is providing some search tools, but that the timing is different, right? These days we need to fully leverage the advantages of artificial intelligence tools. Okay, that I'm just exploring. So right now I don't want to limit my thoughts or imagination into a simple circle. Once after building the team, after exploring, brainstorming with other people, I can decide about that things. But I'm just smelling the opportunity. That's what I'm trying to say. And there is no competition. So that is very sure. Even like I used to realize that in many different perspectives. Suppose if I am uploading any kind of new innovation on my YouTube channel, if I search the important keyword, it will be just showing on the Google first page. Okay, so there is no competition. That is sure thing. And I just found few competitions like Futurism, I think. So even they closed that YouTube channel, and I think they moved into Facebook something, but very limited, and their business model are completely different. Okay, and most of them are biased. They used to get a lot of sponsorship, and they used to promote similar thing. But as they're supporting platforms only. But I'm just trying to play a neutral role, something similar to Google. Okay, so basically what I'm saying is there is a huge opportunity for me to play that role of connecting the scientists and entrepreneurs in the coming days. I'm just thinking about it for many years, and I just taken small steps like running that YouTube channel, and even I created one website, Joan.live. Initially I was using autoset.org, now redirected to Joan.live. So just as I'm taking very small steps. Okay, so in that path I'm introducing this membership also, because I'm having WhatsApp group. Okay, for I initially thought of using that, but when I see the statics and that engagement is very low, it's obvious thing, because they're joining us freely, right? So we cannot expect engagement. It's like they if they're even if they are not really interested, they will be just joining, right? But in case of this paid membership, uh, I, I believe only the people who are really interested in doing some kind of business, they will be joining. Okay, so I believe this membership option will be the logically next step towards reaching my goal. Okay, so I created this one. Again, all things are temporary only. So Gumroad also taking 10% commission. Other things are there. Okay, if it is going smoothly, I will be using it. Otherwise, once after setting my development team, I can again create some kind of internal thing. That's how we came up with our timesheet. Initially, we were not able to find suitable timesheet for our own use. Then we developed our timesheet software. Okay, so if there is any need, I will be creating affiliate software or membership management. But the core business is creating platform for connecting scientists and entrepreneurs. Okay, if you know any other such similar things, just let me know. We can get some inspiration or some ideas from that also. Okay, but I would like to create in a unique way, but I'm just gathering all the information. Okay, so by joining the members, for attracting the new members, I'm just providing these ebooks freely. Okay, but the core thing is just filtering only people really interested in discussing about emerging technologies things. But right now I'm planning to share information related to emerging technologies, business, as well as motivational things. The motivational things sharing, it seems a lot of websites and other things are working completely differently. Okay, but I believe it's part of business, it's part of technologies. Okay, say for example, if you read about some quotes from historical persons, and if you learn from traditional wisdom, then only you'll be able to move forward into the future direction. I explained that in my book also, Dream Big book also. Okay, maybe I will be talking in detail in separate things. Okay, I don't want to move away from the core thing. So core thing is I'm just restudying my business, and this time I'm going to do it in a step-by-step way, but very firmly. Okay, I don't want to deviate from that activities, so I will be hiring only people who are really interested and who are really doing well, who are best suitable for my vision. Okay, so for that I'm just adopting this affiliate that kind of initiative, but I will keep on moving to hire them as a part-time or freelancer, and then full-time employees, and I'll be setting up that team. Okay, but it is not just for promoting my ebook, but as of now, though it is for only for ebook and promoting my timesheet and this QBT membership, in that coming days I'll be moving towards my own platform for connecting scientists and entrepreneurs. Okay, it's like a highly demanding thing without much competition. So surely it is having a lot of opportunities, but I don't right now I don't have any specific revenue model. Okay, even that yesterday one person contacted me about floating solar panel, right? So I asked him about what is needed for me, right? So for that he said you can get success fee commission like that, but right now I don't have enough resources to handle that kind of huge projects. Okay, even I am not going to do it, but even for contacting huge companies, already companies like Tata are playing role. Okay, so we need to work with them. So that is it's not a challenging one, but that kind of business model is completely different. It needs a lot of uh, attention means time, my time, and we need to travel a lot, and I need a dedicated team member for doing that kind of things. But right now I'm not having that much resources right now, so I'm just putting on hold on that thing. But what I'm trying to say is this membership, it's a very simple thing. We can just share the information, and that the people who are interested, they can directly talk to each other. So, but I don't know about Gumroad membership, how it's working, other things. But it's just starting. Okay, so maybe people can talk through me. So whoever is having recommends, they can send it to me. I can publish there, and people who are interested to participate in that, they can tell their convenience. So we can think about it, and we can develop it in the coming days. That is not a big deal. Okay, so but getting people who are really interested in business, and scientists who are really interested in commercializing their innovations, so that is the first step. Let us start the first step, so we can move forward. Okay, so that's my plan. So first thing is, I'm planning to hire affiliates for promoting my products like ebooks and this membership and timesheet. Okay, timesheet is still out. I thought it's still outdated, but many people are showing this to buy the timesheet. Okay, let me show that. Still many people are showing interest to buy my timesheet, so I just listed the timesheet also here. Okay, uh, it's a PHP MySQL based timesheet. It will be really useful because uh, even for using cloud based timesheet, people need to spend a lot of money. But just by paying this $12, they can get the timesheet software with source code. They can use it for n number of companies, n number of departments, n number of employees for any time period. Okay, so there is no restriction. They can create their own custom features, and data will be with them. So I don't know why people are not showing this to buy this kind of thing. Maybe they may be hesitating to like spending time or learning about set up other things. But in fact, it is very simple. It is using PHP and MySQL, right? Both of them are open source. So almost all the hosting providers are providing that kind of hosting, Linux hosting, for very affordable price. So it won't cost more than $2-3, okay, per month. So a lot of things are there. Okay, but people are like not thinking beyond that. Okay, so they feel that because of the heavy marketing of cloud-based companies, they are planning to they're tending to use that. Okay, but later on they have to just to follow whatever they dictate. Okay, but by purchasing your own timesheet software with source code, you will be having full freedom. Okay, but these days the interest got reduced because of the development of cloud-based things. Okay, but anyway, since I'm providing these affiliate things, some developers can buy it and they can add some new features, and then they can sell it to other customers. Okay, a lot of things are there. Instead of just closing that project, I just keeping here. But you can see the demo, and you can see the screenshot live demo also. You can see, so there's no problem. You can check everything. So if it is suitable for you, you can buy it, or you can buy it and resell it to others. Resell in the sense only one copy. So it's not for selling the software. You can get it, and you can implement it with your customer. That's the thing. Okay, so this is a demo of our timesheet. Okay, it is about timesheet and mostly ebooks. Ebooks I already talked about in my previous videos. I'm having a lot of books, but primarily I'm focusing on 3 books. Okay, 3 books that I mentioned here. Emerging technologies for profit, mastering the art of talking to AI, dream big, move forward inch by inch. I'm just focusing on these three books, but apart from that, I have a lot of books also. Like this is the timesheet, right? It's having almost all the features, adding projects, employing projects, managing them, editing, everything, and entering weekly status, daily status entry. Internet is a bit slow. Okay, so I will be showing the demo later, but already I showed it many times, and even here also you can see that. Okay, and even I uploaded the video. I think I did a live for giving detailed support how to develop timesheet software with PHP and MySQL. Okay, it's a long video. You can watch that also. Okay, but these things are very low priority as of now. I'm planning to fully focus on these things. One is the mastering art of talking to AI, like ChatGPT and Bard, right? They are trending right now. So I need to make use of that opportunity. So I'm selling this book, and even I have started writing a exclusive book about using Bard itself. Okay, because I believe even though people are talking about ChatGPT right now, Bard will be playing important role in the coming days. Okay, even I have some domains related to Bard, bardfacts.com and bardfacts.info, like that. So anyone is interested in getting that, you can contact me. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is I'm planning to use the that opportunity, the trending things about ChatGPT and Bard. But in the long term, I'm planning to use these two books, Emerging Technologies for Profit and Dream Big, Move Forward Inch by Inch. Emerging Technologies for Profit, this book actually uh, I created this based on my experience of running this channel by uploading thousands of emerging technologies related videos. Okay, so by uploading those videos, even though I'm not much familiar with all the technologies, I could understand which technologies will be playing important role in the coming days. Okay, based on the press release materials and joining various discussions on various social media groups. Okay, like Twitter, Reddit, and IMGR. I actively participate in various discussions for promoting the videos. Okay, so from that experience, I gathered a lot of information, and I came up with this book. And in the long term, as I said, for connecting the scientists and entrepreneurs, this book will be playing some key role. Okay, but because people who are buying this ebook, they can join the membership step by step. It's a funnel, right? Funnel in the initial stage of the funnel. That is the main reason I'm focusing on this direct sales from my blog or affiliate like Gumroad instead of from Amazon. In case of Amazon also I listed all the books. Okay, but Amazon it's like they won't share the email ID, other things, right? So I have less freedom. So though for selling books perspective, if I'm selling novel, other things, I may be focusing on Amazon, right? But I have a long-term vision of connecting scientists and entrepreneurs. I'm just planning to use that ebook as a tool for achieving that thing. Okay, so for that reason, I'm just focusing on direct sales instead of through Amazon, other things. Okay, but other books are exclusively available on Amazon. This thing I enrolled into KDeep Select. Like even this book, Insight into the Bible, it's available only on Amazon. Okay. Okay. So it's all about my overall plan. Okay, but I don't have right now. I don't have any clear ideas or things. As I said, it's a first step towards my that plan of creating a platform for connecting scientists and entrepreneurs. As a first step, I need to gather people, right? Not only entrepreneurs and scientists, for common people also need to join in that membership program. Then only we will be able to get the feedback, review, comments. So for that purpose, I believe Dream Big, that book will be attracting people like a general audience. Okay. So that is the reason for focusing on that thing. So basically, I'm planning to give more attention to these 3 books. So I started promoting it through all my videos. So whenever I upload any news video, I will be just telling about this sales. Okay. It is a different reason, but as I said, the affiliate program, that one is, though it is one of the reasons, primary thing is earning money out of it. Okay, so I need to earn money as well as the affiliate also need to earn money. So this video is for telling about specifically about this Gumroad affiliate program. Okay, so hereafter I will be fully talking about that thing, but I hope I cleared my view about overall picture and other things. And right now I will be fully talking about affiliate program. Clearly I mentioned that I am not familiar with Gumroad. If there are any issues with them, just feel free to inform me. Okay. And okay, right now no questions. If there are any questions, just ask me. Okay. Okay, so here the Gumroad, I listed these products, all are digital products. I'm not going to lose any money by selling any number of copies. So mostly I can give free for people for reviewing it or for checking. Say for example, if you're affiliate, if you want to join this program, and if you're planning to check the product, you can freely get it. I mentioned the details here, like I provided the link in the description of this video. You can check it. Okay, so this is the Gumroad sales page, and here I provide the affiliate invitation link. So here you can mention that okay, I'm interested in promoting my books or timesheet, whatever interest you have, and mention if you have already have any kind of audience or something. Okay, actually I'm planning to find affiliates from 3 major perspectives. I already explained that in the blog post. One is those who have good experience in promoting any kind of products with their ability and experience. So it's basically a good marketer. So if you are a good marketer with ability to product sales and whatever skills you are having related to marketing and sales, you can also apply. Okay, apply by telling your past experience. Okay, and another set of people is, second option is who are already having followers and fans related to topics of my products. You may not be the expert in marketing, but you may be having some sort of audience base, like forum or WhatsApp group membership or any kind of subreddit. You may be having our Facebook page like that, related to motivation, timesheet software or emerging technologies. Okay, so that means you are already having the potential buyers, so you can just share it, right, in any kind of newsletter. So for you it is very easy. You have to just share it and you can just get the commission. Right now I'm setting 50% commission. Okay, so you can obviously easily earn good money. Okay, if you want to test my products, you can use the discount code QPT100 for getting it's free, getting it for free. Just you need to enter the code and you can download them freely. And if you are if you find it suitable, you can just send the affiliate. You have to apply for joining as affiliate, and then you can, once after I approve it, you can just send the email. That's it. So I say, for example, if you are having some 10,000 audience, even some 100 people are buying, you can earn significant money. It's that much simple for you. Okay, because I believe all my products, whatever I listed here, they are really useful and they are highly relevant. Okay, But I listed some few outdated things also. Let me explain that also. This one is software testing and QTB automation. I created it in the year 2010 itself. Okay, but the thing is, still some people are buying it from Amazon, so I listed here. Anyway, I am setting very low price, only 0, so you need not be focusing as a affiliate. Okay, another one is ebook for earning money from YouTube videos. This one also really useful one. Again, I'm setting very low price, I mean 0. So this one also you need not, but anyway, you can just share that link. Even people are buying from buying other products, then still I think you will be getting commission. I'm not sure about Gumroad's rules and regulations, but it's a general thing. Okay, and suppose if I'm not approving that your request, I think Gumroad is having default 10% affiliate commission, then you have to go with that one. Okay, but mostly I'm planning to spend more time in reviewing people's applications, and I'm planning to approve a lot of people. Okay, a lot of people in the sense who are coming under these 3 categories. Okay, one is, as I said, let me open that again. Yeah, one is marketers, another one is already having audience. Third one, it's very important one. This is the beginning of my next team building. Okay, so these 2 things, they may be good from affiliate perspective. They can easily earn money using their marketing skills or using their affiliates. For me, it's just useful from one perspective only, just for earning money by selling the product. But third one is really the key for my team building effort. Okay, so in this case, you need not have any experience with affiliate marketing. Okay, you need not have any audience. Only thing is, you should be interested in working with me, and you should be able to listen whatever things I am explaining. Okay, and you will be able to do a lot of hard work in promoting them. So I am planning to focus that kind of people with more attention. Okay, I am planning to recruit around 10 affiliates in this perspective. First 2 things, there is no limitation. Okay, because that they will be taking care of everything, right? But in this case, I need to train them and guide them. Okay, I am planning to spend significant time in training them. Okay, but again, there is a risk, even if similar to my previous effort of building software development team, the same risk is here also. I understand that risk, because even after getting the training from me, they can training, the sense it's a free training only, not a course or something. So, and there is no significant time or something. Whenever I have free time, I can just start Google Meet or something. I can explain the things and discuss with affiliates. Okay, the thing is, again, I will be having a risk of allowing the affiliates to promote other people's products. Okay, I understand that. That's okay. I'm starting with that understanding that risk itself. Okay, so whoever's really interested in promoting my products, they will be sticking to that, and I'll be in the coming days, when I start building my team, I'll be considering them hiring as employee. Okay, that is the plan. Okay, so initially first a few weeks, I will be focusing on recruiting, giving more attention to all 3 categories, but in the later stage, I will be putting my 100% focus on that category. Okay, so that is not only for selling my current products, it's like beginning of restarting my team. Okay, so this is about recruiting affiliates. So you have to just click this link and give details. And before that, just if you're not familiar with Gumroad, you can go this kind of help files related to affiliates from Gumroad. Okay, and as I said, I'm not good at Gumroad affiliate program. Even I'm new to Gumroad. Okay, because I thought of selling everything from my blog. Long back itself, I was doing that only. But because of this affiliate membership, other things, it's like managing everything by myself. It's a bit difficult. So I thought of using Gumroad. So I believe they will be taking care of everything. But my expectation is somewhat okay. So yes, today I thought of creating some way to give the ebooks free for potential affiliates. Okay, so for that I just set the price as 0, but then I realized that affiliates may be hesitating to start their work, because if 0 means that they won't be getting 50%, 0 is still 50%, right? So they won't be getting affiliates, affiliate commission. It won't be encouraging them. So I was looking some way, and then found that Gumroad is allowing the 100% discount. It's really useful, because Instamoja other things, they were saying that it shouldn't be go beyond this limit like that. But it's just accepted 100%. And interestingly, when I tried to use that here, when I tried to, let me show it. Here, when I try to use the 100% discount code, immediately it was just hiding the buy now button. See, I will be showing. But I don't know why it's a compulsory. We have to first enter the amount, okay? Then we have to enter the discount code. So now immediately we can get it, right? So it's like good feature, right? So I can use the same listing for allowing the affiliates to get it free without making any payment or following any kind of payment procedure, and at the same time they can immediately start earning money. Okay, so and for the purpose of encouraging the sales, I created this one also, QPT 40. It will be giving 40% discount for some products, like these 3 books: Emerging Technologies, Mastering AI, Dream Big, and membership, as well as timesheet software. Okay, because other books I set the price as 0, so I want to keep it as 0 only. So there is no meaning of giving discounts, that, right? Okay, so if there are any questions, you can ask me. Okay, if there are no questions, I'll be moving forward. So what I'm trying to say is, Gumroad is providing a lot of options, but I have gone through a lot of negative things also. Let me check it by myself, okay? But the core thing is same. I may be changing the platform or developing one platform in the coming days. That is different thing. But the core thing is, I'm just starting rebuilding my team in a slow, step-by-step manner. The first step is recruiting affiliates, and then training them, and then hiring the good performing affiliates who are suitable for my business, and then start building that core team. Okay, by the meantime, if I'm going to develop something, I can use the freelancers for developing the things. Okay, anyone interested in doing some kind of PHP MySQL development on freelancing basis, you can also contact me in the coming days. Okay, but I'm very particular about quality of work and result things. Okay, I'll be giving focus or spending my time only who are really willing to work hard and achieving the results. Okay. Okay. Okay, and as I said, I'm going to fully focus on these things. Previously, I thought of following partially my initial plan, like earning money from advertisements. Though my AdSense got disabled, I explored a lot of other AdSense alternatives. A lot of things are there. I practically tried something, even though some of them rejected me. A lot of ad networks accepted me, but their ad quality was not that much good, and their payment cycle and a lot of constraints are there. And I realized that basically, even including AdSense, their ad quality is not that much good. Even AdSense ads also, a lot of gambling ads are showing up. Even if I specifically do the setting for not showing that. Okay, so it's like uh, I think it's not good for the visitors, right? So instead of allowing other ads and allowing them to like uh, show low quality ads, better I can promote my books by showing advertisement to my visitors. For that purpose, I created simple JavaScript for showing advertisements here, and I use it. I am using it in various websites like John.live, thecourse.net. Okay, so I can just change the advertisement in one place and it will be showing everywhere. Initially, I thought of accepting other people's advertisements also so that I can earn money. But again, it will be taking a lot of my time, and I explored various things. The past 2 months, I explored and tested everything. So finally, I decided to stick with this plan. Okay, so it's having a lot of advantages. As I said, it is comparatively safe, and it will be, from my perspective also, it is useful. I can immediately start earning money from my ebooks, and from buyer's perspective also, it is very useful because these ebooks, I came up with these ebooks by pouring my knowledge and experience of more than 15 years, and I'm strongly believing that they will be really useful for, in case of emerging technologies, that ebook, it will be useful for improving your career as well as business, or even like uh, retaining your job, even for smoothly running your current business, not only for starting new business, because we need to adapt into new changes. That is what the basis of Darwin, right? Darwin is saying that the species who is able to which is able to adapt to the changes, they only that kind of species will survive. Okay, even the stronger or knowledgeable species won't going to survive. That is what the fundamental of the nature. Okay, so we need to adapt to the change. So I'm just trying to guide other people to uh, come up with new changes. Okay, say for example, who are not able to read, they are illiterate some 4 or 5 decades back. In these last 2 decades, who people who are not able to use the computer and the internet, they're like perceived as illiterates. But in the coming days, people who are not able to talk with the AI or not able to use them effectively, they will be seen as illiterate, right? So it is keep on changing. So we need to adapt to the new change. Definitely, my ebooks will be useful for achieving that. Okay. So from buyer's perspective, it is useful. I'm setting very low price. Okay, and again, uh, from affiliate perspective, that also it will be useful because I'm sharing 50% commission. Okay, it's I think it's a bit high. So suppose if you demand more things, maybe I can consider that request also in the coming days, because one is by selling ebooks I can directly earn money, but that is secondary. The first thing is by selling ebooks I can set up some kind of branding, right? So that I can implement my future plan of creating the platform, promoting that platform of connecting scientists and entrepreneurs. So that brand QBT will be like getting some exposure by selling my books. That is the core thing. In the apart from that, in the ebooks, say for example, in the case of emerging technologies ebook, I listed a lot of my YouTube video links as a reference. Okay, so that will bring a lot of traffic to my YouTube channel. And in the case of Dream Big, Move Forward Inch by Inch, I collected a lot of motivational quotes from my the course.net website and provided a link to that pages. Say for example, if you are reading Mahatma Gandhi's quotes, when you click the Mahatma Gandhi, that name, it will be taking into the course.net page related to Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so it is useful for user perspective as well as it is useful for getting traffic for me. So it's like a win-win-win approach. It will be useful for me, it will be useful for the buyers, and it will be useful for the affiliates. Okay. So I believe it is the strongest model ever I explored. I explored a lot of things. Okay, I don't want to discuss all the rejected plans. This is the final plan. But I'm planning to implement it in a test or trial basis for a few months. If it is going smoothly, I will be keep on sticking with this. Otherwise, I will be tweaking that model. Okay. But anyway, even if I'm it won't happen. But say for example, if I'm stopping it, you are not going to lose anything. In case of affiliate other things, you are not going to spend time for creating any something. So just you are going to share it and you can earn money. Okay, so it's like immediate or instant kind of things only. It's not like SEO building other things. But I have plans for that. But when I am going to implement it, I will be hiring them as a full-time employee. Okay, I'm not going to use this for freelance or affiliate path. So I will be hiring full-time employees for doing SEO because that is the sustainable way of getting targeted traffic. So initially, our team was very good in achieving that. But these days it is a bit difficult because of highly competition and a lot of other things. But still we have some other options. Need not be short-term keywords. Long-tail keywords also we can try because of the Siri, Alexa, that kind of voice-based searches. These days long sentences also play an important role in the SEO world. Okay. So this is all about my plans. So if you are interested as joining us affiliate, just click this Gumroad affiliate link and join there. Or you can straight away select my product and you can promote for 10% things. But if you want 50% commission, just apply here and tell about yourself and your plans. Okay, but apply, anyone can apply. As I said, even if you are not having any experience related to marketing, and even if you don't have any kind of audience base, just apply and tell about your plans. Okay, I can train you. Okay, but initially I don't want to train individually. I am planning to train multiple people at a time so that I can save significant time. But later on, I will be individually training people who are really showing interest. Okay, that is what my plan. Again, I am not expert in affiliate marketing. Okay, but I know the fundamentals, how it's working and which sites are good, things. Okay, so based on that, I can explain the things. Even other things related to digital marketing, so I can especially SEO, that I have good experience. I can explain it, and PPC marketing, the things I can share. Whatever I know, I can share. Okay, but it's your responsibility to make use of that information to sell the product. Okay, but very important thing is I will be allowing only the people who are doing the marketing in a professional way. Okay, I'll be removing anyone who is trying to sell it in a aggressive way or giving false promises, any other shadow things. Okay, so yeah, I'm very particular about it. Because of that only I hesitated to adopt the affiliate thing. Okay, well, that is one reason. Another reason is managing payment, other things. Since I found that Gumroad is handling everything, at that point is okay. But second point, I need to personally take care of that. Okay, so I'll be reviewing all your efforts of how you are doing promotion, and if I found anything fishy, I'll be removing you. Okay, so if you're really planning to do that in a professional way, then only apply for it. Okay, so that's all about this affiliate program. Just to share this video with your friends so that even you may not be interested, but they may be interested. They can join. They can. It is really good money, right? 50% of commission. All the books are highly in demand. Okay, if they're targeting right people, it can sell. Especially this dream big, move forward inch by inch. It's a kind of motivational self-help category, right? It's a best-selling one, and it's like already a lot of good books were sold millions of copies, right? But still new books are selling in millions, because the reason is the message is same. It is from Tirukural, Bible, whatever it is. 2000 years back itself, the same message was conveyed, but that new generations wants to read it in a their own way, right? So I believe these kinds of books will be selling at any time. And I put a lot of efforts. As I said, I'm running the course attend website for many years, from the year 2011 or 12. At that time itself, more than 10 years, I spent a lot of time in creating. You can see that course attend website here. But the internet is slow. A lot of things I put a lot of effort. Though some codes I collected from already existing things, wiki codes like that. Personally, I used to watch a lot of TED Talks and go through a lot of articles. From there, I collected. Say, for example, in case of Sample Trado, when I created this Sample Trado course page, no other big sites, no one is, basically no one is having that page, but he's a really inspiring person. He revolutionized telecom in India. It's like apart from that, he's an inspiring person. He used to do a lot of chat with the young generation, but no one showed interest to show his things. So I just collected that quotes and put here, and I'm regularly updating based on his speeches, things. Okay, so it's including a lot of things. General things like famous people like Mahatma Gandhi, Abraham Lincoln, Einstein. Apart from that, new inspiring persons also I'm just working on. Not currently, I'm spending more time, but previously I spent a lot of effort and time, and we tried to create a lot of applications related to motivational things here, but because of lack of traffic and difficulties in maintaining them, I closed most of them. Right now I'm just having this text kind of things. Okay, and apart from that, recently I created motivational calendar, other things, but again that also not getting much traffic. So I believe this book, because in the book, if you click this Mark Twain, it will be directing you to this website. So it will be helping me to get traffic. That is yet another reason for focusing on selling my books, especially ebooks. In the printed book, that option won't be there. But if you like the ebook, and definitely you will be liking that, and you can just buy the paperback copy from the Amazon. Again, if you are Amazon affiliate, you can earn money by doing Amazon affiliate marketing also, and you can give that paperback version as a gift to your friends and family who you care about. Okay, and here freely listen to a Dream Big book, right? So even before buying the ebook or a paperback version, you can listen to all the topics. I already recorded everything and uploaded in my new channel, Dream Big Book. Okay, it's like more than 4.5 hours. Okay, 4.5 hours video. And if you want to download it, you have to download it from Gumroad. That option I provided there. Hello, audiobook, Dream Big, Move Forward Inch by Inch audiobook. Okay, so you can download the mp3 file. Okay, but I am not able to set the zero price because the size is significant size, right? 255 MB. So Gumroad is asking me to set some minimum price. The minimum price was 0.99 cents. Okay, I set that price. So what I'm trying to say is, before trying that, you can buying that, you can try these other formats. Okay, freely you can listen to that, and while listening that video, you can see the like subtitle as a text. Okay, my accent may not be suitable for everyone, so in that case, reading the subtitle or closed caption will be useful understanding it. Okay, but initially I thought of hiring some professional narrators for coming up with this book, but I thought initially I can try myself. Once after getting some momentum, I can hire some narrators, because right now thousands of dollars I need to spend for hiring good narrators. Okay. And another thing is, I don't know whether they will be understanding the concept. So narration by author is definitely different from narration by professional narrators, right? The audio quality may be good, but the content message may not be delivered properly in case of hiring professional narrators. Anyway, it's like a starting point, and once after getting more sales, I'll be thinking about hiring professional narrators. But again, that ACX is Audible is not having option to allow the Indians to enroll. Okay, so even if I am hiring professional narrators, I will not be able to earn money from Amazon. Okay, so that is the reason why I just did by myself. Okay, just it is for just giving some overview. Okay, so I don't know whether you will be able to listen my voice continuously, but you can randomly check the chapters, and if you like it, you can buy the ebook or paperback version. Okay, but here in case of audiobook also, I enrolled into the Gumroad affiliate things. Okay, all the products I enrolled. Okay, so you can earn money from that also. Okay, the thing is that YouTube video of that audiobook is it's publicly available, everyone can freely watch it, but downloading mp3, that option is exclusive for that, not exclusive, but it is available with Gumroad. In some other places for my blog readers also I shared in some post. I don't remember the link, but somewhere. Okay, so I'm not a believer of closed content. Okay, not only books, it's applicable for software, other things. So I am believing in transparency or open source, so the content or knowledge should be available to everyone. Okay, but at the same time we need to earn some money from, right? So maybe some timing. So in case of membership program, for the members I will be providing the details, and I will be providing the same information to the public also. The only difference is I will be sharing it a few hours before or few days before. And another thing is I'll be giving priority in answering to the members. That is the thing. So that is my belief system. Okay, so I'm planning to provide all the information whatever I know. That is my priority. I would like to share all the knowledge with everyone. Okay, freely, openly. And for earning money, I will be providing some premium things like yearly content, or some explanation, or some kind of personal touch. Okay, that is the difference, not other than that. So the same information will be available later on. Okay, but that won't be the restriction for doing affiliate programs. Normally sellers, they won't search the other things. Okay, they will be just trying to buy. Even the price is very low, so right, so they need not be searching my blog or thing. Okay, okay, so if you have any questions, just ask me. As of now, no questions, so I'm just ending this. Thanks for watching this video. Just share this with others, so that whoever is interested in making use of this opportunity, they can use it. And if you want to join as an affiliate, join here. And if you want to join as member, you can join from there. So this is my current plan. So I'll be giving future updates, and I'm planning to frequently conduct live sessions again, because these days I was busy with setting up ebooks and ebook sales things, other things. Right now I'm writing one book about BOD. Once after completing that thing, that won't take much time, because I'm planning to use the BOD itself for writing it. So after that I will be spending more time in this kind of lives or any kind of discussions. So I'm expecting your suggestions for taking it forward. Bye. Thanks.